Hello, Igor Young Minds. Ngayon ay nasa week 2 na tayo ng ating fourth quarter. Ngunit bago tayo magsimula, shout out sa mga mag-aaral ng Teresa Martires City Elementary School, Division of Cavite Province. Okay, so ngayon po ay pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa volume of solid figures. Okay, muli po ito si Teacher Y. Para sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, ay subscribe po kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga video lessons every week. At kapag may natutunan naman sa video lesson na ito, ay huwag po natin kalimutang i-share sa iba para may matutunan din naman sila. Okay, let's start. Simulan natin sa trivia muna tayo. Okay, may iba naman. Trivia. Okay. Do you know that it takes 3 cones to fill a cylinder with sand or water? Okay. So kailangan daw ng 3 cone para mapuno ang cylinder na to ng water or sand. Okay, but take note, dapat sila ay merong katulad na base at katulad na height. Okay? Another trivia. Okay, it takes exactly 3 full pyramids to fill the prism. Okay, so kailangan naman ng 3 pyramid para mapuno ang isang prism. But take note, merong condition yan. Kailangan same ang kanilang base at same ang kanilang height. Okay? Another trivia. Okay, the space a sphere takes is 2/3 of the volume of cylinder. Okay, so kapag ang sphere with the same base and height, okay, may lamang water, nilagay mo sa cylinder with same base and height, mapupuno niya or it takes about 2/3 of the cylinder. So hanggang dito ang mapupuno ng sphere. Okay, so yan ang mga trivia natin bago tayo magsimula ng ating lesson. Okay, tapos diretso na agad tayo. Okay, let's start by the volume of cylinder. Okay, sa volume ng cylinder, para makompute mo, kasi gagamit na tayo dito ng mga formulas, sa volume ng cylinder, para ma-solve mo siya, ang kailangan mo lang ay dalawa. Kailangan mong malaman ang height at kailangan mong malaman ang radius ng base. Okay? Kapag alam mo na ang height, kapag alam mo na ang radius, masosolve mo na using this formula, volume is equals to pi r squared height. Okay? Wherein pi is a mathematical constant that has a value of 3.14. Okay? Tapos halimbawa agad tayo. Let's say for example, this particular cylinder has a height of 5 centimeters and a radius of 2 centimeters. Okay? So paano natin isosolve yan? Using the formula, okay, volume is equals to pi r squared height. Replace the values lang. Alam natin ang height, alam natin ang radius. Papalitan mo lang ang radius, papalitan mo ang height. Kaya yan magiging 3.14 pi, 2 centimeters ang radius at 5 centimeters ang height. Okay? And then solve tayo. Siyempre, unahin natin itong merong exponent. So, yan. So, 2 squared is just 2 times 2, which is 4 centimeters squared. Okay? Pagkatapos niyan, from left to right tayo, 3.14 times 4, that is 12.56 square centimeters. Okay? Times 5 naman tayo. Okay? 12.56 times 5, that is 62.8 cubic centimeter. Take note, when we talk about volume, dapat lagi ang cubic units. Okay? So the answer for this particular example is 62.8 cubic centimeter. Okay, now let's talk about the volume of a cone. Okay, sa volume ng cone naman, ang kailangan mo lang malaman ay height pa rin at saka radius pa rin. Okay, asa parehas lang pala ng cylinder? Of course, yes, parehas lang po. Okay, when you know the height, when you know the radius of cone, you can now use the formula 1/3 base times height or 1/3 of pi r squared height or mas gusto ko itong gamitin, pi r squared height divided by 3. Okay? So ito, kadalasan ito ang ginagamit ko talaga. Okay? Yeah. Now, let's say for example, ang cone na to ay merong height na 5 centimeters at meron siyang radius na 2 cm pa rin. Okay? Ano kaya ang volume ng cone na yan? Again, using the formula, pi r squared height divided by 3, you just have to replace the values lang. Pi is 3.14, radius is 2 centimeters, and then the height is 5 cm. Of course, 3 is constant yan. So, lagi yung nandyan. Okay. Tapos, unahin natin tong exponent muna. Kasi may exponent eh. Hindi mo pwedeng i-multiply agad yan. So, that is just 2 times 2. So, that is now 4 square centimeters. Okay? And then, okay na. Puro multiplication na lahat. From left to right tayo. 3.14 times 4. Okay? That is 12.56 square centimeters times 5. Okay? 3 pa rin. Diyan pa rin. Okay? And then 12.56 times 5, that is 62.8 cubic centimeter na. Okay? Divided by 3 pa rin. Okay? Huwag kalimutan kasi nandyan yan sa kasama sa formula yan eh. And then 62.8 cubic centimeter divided by 3. The answer now is 20.93 cubic centimeter. So the volume of this particular cone is 20.93 cubic centimeters. Next tayo. Now let's talk about volume of pyramid naman. Okay. Sa volume ng pyramid ay, ito ang mga kailangang malaman. You have to know the length, you have to know the width, and then you have to know the height. Okay? Length, width, and height ang kailangan natin. Okay. And kapag alam mo na yung length, width, and height, you can now use the formula 1/2 base times height or 1/3, or sorry, this is 1/3 base times height or 1/3 length times width times height, or ito ulit ang mas gusto kong gamitin, volume is equals to length times width times height divided by 3. Okay? Now, let's say for example, the length of this particular pyramid is 3 meters, the width is 2 meters, and then the height is 5 meters. Ano kaya ang volume niyan? Using our formula, masusolve natin yan. Okay? The formula is volume is equals to length times width times height divided by 3. Just replace the values. Length is 3 meters. Width is 2 meters. Height is 5 meters. And then divided by 3, which is constant. Okay? Tapos, wala namang exponent dyan. Diretso na agad tayo. Okay? This is 3 times 2. That is 6. And then times 5, kasi madali lang naman, kaya dinaretso ko na. Times 5, that is 30 cubic meters. Okay? And then divided by 3, of course. So 30 cubic meters divided by 3, easy. That is just 10 cubic meters. Okay? So the volume of this particular pyramid is just 10 cubic meters. Take note, kapag volume, lagi yang cubic units. Okay. Now let's talk about volume of, sorry, this is not pyramid, this is sphere. Okay? Hindi na palitan, ha? Okay. This is sphere. Okay. Now, let's talk about the volume of sphere. Okay. Sa volume ng sphere, isa lang ang kailangan mo. Kailangan mo lang ng radius. And then, masasolve mo na siya. Okay? Using the formula naman, that is 4/3 of pi r squared. Pi r cubed, sorry. Okay? Or, you can use, mas gusto ko rin gamitin to, that is 4 times pi times radius cube is equals divided by 3. Okay? Mas gusto ko pa rin gamitin tong formula na. Okay? Now, for example, the radius of this particular sphere is 2 inches. Okay? Since ang kailangan lang naman natin ay radius para ma-solve ang volume ng sphere, okay, using the formula, kayang-kaya natin yan. Okay, replace the values lang. 4 is constant, pi is 3.14, and then the radius is 2 inches. And then cube, or to the 3rd power. Okay, divided by 3, which is constant. Okay, so ngayon, unahin natin itong may exponent. So 2 to the power of 3 is just 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8 cubic inch. Okay? Okay, wala nang exponent na iba. Okay, from left to right na tayo. 4 times 3.14, okay, that is 12.56. Okay, times 8 cubic inch. Okay, divided by 3. And then 12.56 times 8, that is 100.48 cubic inch. Okay, divided by 3 pa rin. So 100.48 divided by 3, the answer now is 33.49 cubic inches. Okay, so the volume of this particular sphere is 33.49 cubic inch. Okay, now let's proceed with your learning task 1. Okay, find the volume of each a solid figure. Use 3.14 for the value of pi. Okay, show your solution and answers in your notebook. Okay, or in your answer sheet. Sa iba answer sheet ang gamit. Okay, So pinaghiwa-hiwalay ko na yung mga solid figures. Inuna natin yung cylinder. Okay. Ngayon, to solve for this one, alamin muna natin ano yung mga given. Given ang radius, 3.5 meters. Given ang height, 8 meters. Okay. Alam natin na to solve for the volume of cylinder, ang kailangan lang naman natin radius and height. Ibig sabihin, okay na. Goods na tayo dyan. Okay? And now, we have to know the operation. Ano bang kailangan natin gamitin dito? Okay? In this particular problem, we have to use the formula for the volume of cylinder, which is volume is equals to pi r squared height. Okay? So alam mo na ang given, alam mo na ang anong operation, you have to solve na. And then you have to show your solution. Kasi sabi sa learning task, pakita ang solution. Okay. Volume is equals to pi r squared height. This is the formula. And then we have to replace the values lang. Okay? Pi is 3.14. Radius is 3.5 meters squared. Okay, squared yan. And then height is 8 meters. Okay, pinalitan lang natin yung mga numero. Okay? And then, syempre, laging unahin yung may exponent. Okay? So, 3.5 times 3.5, that is 12.25 square meters. Okay? And then, left to right tayo. 3.14 times 12.25. Again, if you want to solve it in your own, okay, you just pause the video and then play nyo kapag may sagot na kayo para ma-check naman kung tama. Okay? So, 3.14 times 12.25, that is 38.465 square meters. Okay? And then, 38.465 times 8, the answer is 307.72 cubic meters. Again, kapag volume, lagi ang cubic units. Okay. Learning task 1 pa rin. So, ito yung pangalawang figure. Okay? Meron tayo ditong sphere. Okay. So, una, alamin muna natin kung anong given. Ang radius ay given, which is 20 decimeter. Okay. Now, alam mo na ang given at alam naman natin ang kailangan lang natin sa sphere ay ang radius lang. So, masusolve na natin yan. So, anong operation na gagamitin natin? We have to use the formula for the volume of sphere, which is 4 times pi times r cubed divided by 3. Okay? So, yun ang gagamitin nating formula. Now, you know what is the given? What are the given? You know the operation or the formula that you're going to use. Pakita mo na agad ang solution mo. Okay, using the formula, you just have to replace the values lang. 4 is constant, pi is 3.14, the radius is 20 decimeter cube. Okay? So, that is just 20 times 20 times 20. Okay? Ganun yun ha. Okay? Kasi 20 to the third power yan. Okay. So, unahin natin to. That is 20 times 20. Baka magulat kayo, paano nakuha yan? Okay, times 20. Okay? So that is 8,000 cubic decimeter. Okay. Now, from left to right na tayo. Okay, may 3 pa rin yan. 4 times 3.14, that is 12.56 times 8,000. Okay, divided by 3. So 12.56 times 8,000, that is 100,480. Okay, divided by 3 pa rin. Okay, so 100,480 divided by 3, the answer is 33,493.33 decimeter or cubic decimeter. Okay, this is now your answer. Next. Again ha, wag naman kopya lang ng kopya ha. Pause the video and then try to solve it. Kasi alam niyo naman, ang sekreto lang sa mathematics, practice lang po yan. Okay? Ang pangungopya ay walang patutunguhan po yan. You have to practice para mas matuto talaga. Okay. Learning task 1 pa rin tayo. This is the third figure na. I have here a cone. Okay? Alamin natin kung anong mga given. Okay, what are the given facts? The height is given, which is 20 meters. And then the radius is given, which is 7 meters. Okay? Alam natin na sa cone, ang kailangan lang natin ay height at saka ang radius. Ibig sabihin, proceed tayo sa operation. Ano bang gagamitin natin ditong formula? Siyempre, we have to use the formula of a cone. Okay? Now, which is volume is equals to pi r squared height divided by 3. Okay? So, ganun lang pala. Okay, alam mo na kung anong operation gagamitin. Solution tayo ngayon. Okay? Replace the values lang to the formula. Volume is equals to pi r squared height divided by 3. Okay, palitan natin yung mga numero. Pi is 3.14. The radius is 7 meters. Ito, squared. Okay, huwag kalimutan. And then the height is 20 meters. Of course, 3 is constant divided by 3. Okay. Siyempre, ang uunahin isosolve, exponent. Ito may exponent na. Okay? So that is just 7 times 7. Okay? So 3.14, ang sagot niya 7 times 7 is 49. So 3.14, dito naman tayo, times 49. Okay? The answer for that is 153.86 square meters. Times 20 naman tayo. Okay, 153.86 times 20, that is 3,077.2 cubic meters divided by 3. So 3,077.2 divided by 3. The answer now for the volume is 1,025.73 cubic meters. Okay. Yun. Next, figure tayo. Meron pa yata isa? Ayun, meron pa tayo dito. Meron tayo dito ang rectangular pyramid. Okay? Now, sulat natin kung anong given. Given ang length, which is 3.5 inch. Given ang width, that is 1.5 inch. And then, given ang height, that is 4 inches. Okay? So, alam natin, ang kailangan lang natin sa pyramid ay length, width, and height. Ayos na tayo dyan. So, alamin natin kung anong operation ang gagamitin natin. Siyempre, since yan ay pyramid, ang gagamitin natin formula is the formula for the volume of a pyramid, which is length times width times height divided by 3. Okay? Alam na natin ang operation. Solution, replace the values lang. Okay, volume is equals to length times width times height. Ang length ay 3.5 inch. Okay? And then ang width ay 1. And then ang height ay 4 inches. Okay? Now, divided by 3 pa rin. Okay. Left to right tayo. 3.5 times 1.5, that is 5.25 square inch. Okay? And then 5.25 times 4, that is now 21 cubic inch. Okay? Divided by 3. Okay? So, easy na to. 21 divided by 3, that's 7 cubic inch. Okay? So the volume of this particular rectangular pyramid is 7 cubic inches. Okay. Next tayo. Okay, learning task 2. Answer the following. Show your complete solution in your notebook. Okay. June wanted to know how much ice cream he got in one scoop. The radius of a scoop is 2 inches. Ang laking scoop nito. Ang radius ay 2 inches. Find the volume. Okay, ng ice cream siguro o ng one scoop ng ice cream. Okay, use 3.14 for pi. Okay, tingnan natin ha. What is asked in the problem? What is asked is the amount of ice cream in one scoop. Okay, laking scoop talaga. Okay, what are the given facts? The given facts is that the radius is 2 inches and then the value of pi is 3.14. Okay, what is the formula that you're going to use? We're going to use the formula of sphere. Okay, kasi yung one scoop ng ice cream, di ba? Spherical naman yun. Okay. Number sentence and the final answer. So the formula for sphere is just volume is equals to 4 times pi times r cubed divided by 3. Okay. So the number sentence, gamitin natin ang formula and then replace the values lang. Okay. 4 is constant, pi is 3.14, 2 ang ating radius, and then cube. Okay. And then solve na tayo. So this is 2 times 2, okay, that is 4 times 3.14 times 4. The answer is 100.48 cubic inch divided by 3. 100.48 divided by 3, the answer now is, the volume is 33.49 cubic inch. Okay? Imagine kung ganyan kalaki ang ice cream mo. Sulit na sulit talaga. One scoop lang yan. Okay, next. Find the volume of milk in a glass with a radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 10 cm. Okay? What is asked in the problem is the volume of milk, chocolate in a glass. What are the given facts? Given facts is that the radius is 5 cm and then the height is 10 cm. What is the formula? Of course, we're going to use the formula for a cylinder kasi glass yan. Okay. Which is volume is equals to pi r squared height. Okay? And then try to solve natin. Okay. Pi is 3.14. The radius is 5 cm squared. And then the height is 10 cm. Of course, unahin natin i-solve ang merong exponent. So that is 5 times 5. 25 square centimeters. And then 3.14 times 25, that is 78.5 square centimeters. And then 78.5 times 10, that is the answer now is 785 cubic centimeters. Okay. Number 3. Calculate the volume of the pyramid in a picture. Okay, what is the formula to be used? Nasaan ang picture? Ito. Yun. So, pyramid, okay, for lahat, no? For lahat, for ang length, width, and then the height. Siguro galing to sa cube talaga. Okay, what is the formula to be used? We're going to use the formula for the volume of, this is not cylinder, sorry about that. Okay, this is for pyramid. Okay, we're going to use the formula for pyramid. Okay, so itatama natin yan kasi minsan merong mga typo. Dito na natin i-correct mismo. Okay. So, what is the number sentence in the final answer? So the number sentence or the formula for a pyramid is length times width times height divided by 3. Okay? And then, syempre, to write the number sentence, you just have to replace the values lang. 10 times width times height divided by 3. So ito na ang solution. So length is 4, width is 4, and then height is 4 divided by 2. Okay? Multiply everything. 4 times 4 times 4. That is 64 cubic meters divided by 3. So 64 divided by 3. The answer is 21.33 cubic meters. Okay? Ayan. Next tayo, number 4. Mike has a large plastic cup that he's going to fill with water. The plastic cup is in the shape of a cone with a height of 7 inches and a radius of 3 inches as shown. Find the volume of the water in the plastic cone cup. Okay, tingnan natin. What is the formula that you're going to use? We're going to use the formula for the volume of a cone, which is pi r squared height divided by 3. Okay? Write the number sentence. Siyempre, sulat muna natin ang formula and then replace the values lang. Okay? Palitan natin yung mga values para masulat yung number sentence. Pi is 3.14, the radius is 3 inches, and then the height is 7 inches. Okay? Unahin i-solve ang may exponent. That is 3 times 3, which is 9 square inch na. Okay, and then ang 3 nandiyan pa rin. 3.14 times 9, that is 28.26 square inch. And 28.26 times 7, okay, that is now 197.82 square inch divided by 3. A cubic inch na yan. Okay, so 197.82 divided by 3. The answer now for the volume is 65.94 cubic inch. Okay. Proceed tayo. Learning task 3. Answer. Okay. The questions that follow, put a check mark on the space provided. Copy an answer in your math notebook or in your answer sheet. The units for volume are always, syempre, cubic units yan. Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Okay, that is true. Tama yan. Okay. Now, ito sagutan natin to. Chona is selling Pringle chips to raise money for field trip. The container has a diameter of 9 inch and a height of 32 inches. Okay, hindi ko rin ma-imagine kung gaano kalaking Pringles ito. Ang laki talaga nito. Imagine 32 inches ang kanyang height. Okay, so ito ang Pringles. Okay, now let us solve for the volume. Kasi volume pinag-uusapan natin. Given ang radius is 4.5 inch and then the height is 32 inches. Okay? Now, the operation that you're going to use, okay, you have to use the formula for the volume of cylinder, which is volume is equals to pi r squared height. Okay? Alam mo na ang formula. Okay, replace the values na. Solution na tayo. Volume is equals to pi r squared height. Replace the values lang. Pi is 3.14. Radius is 4.5 inches. And then the height is 32 inches. Okay? Siyempre, palit tayo ng kulay. Okay? Ang unahin natin ay ang merong exponent muna. So that is 4.5 times 4.5. That is 20.25 square inch. Okay? Multiplication na lahat. Left to right tayo. 3.14 times 20.25. The answer is 63.585 square inch. 63.585 times 32. The answer now for the volume is 2,034 and 72 cubic inch. Okay? Imagine, ganito kalaki ang Pringles. Talagang makaka-raise ka ng fan. Okay. Number 4. A three-tier cake with the same height of 10-inch and radius of 12, 8, and 5 respectively is to be delivered to a birthday party. How much space does this cake take up? Use 3.1445. Okay. So merong cake, 3 tiers, ibig sabihin 3 layers, no? Okay. Ang radius ay magkakaiba. Itong sa baba, this is 12 inches. Itong sa pangalawa, this is 8 inches. Itong sa taas, this is 5 inches. Okay? Pero ang height ng mga yan ay pare-parehas lang naman. 10 inch, 10 inch, 10. Okay? So ganun na ngayon, kukumputin natin ang volume ng lahat ng to. Okay? Ang galing, no? Saya. Okay. Let us know the given facts. Okay. The given is the height. Okay? That is 10 inches. Pare-parehas. Given ang radius, 5 inch. Given ang radius, 8 inches. And then, given ang radius, 12 inches. Okay. Siyempre, ang operation na gagamitin natin, since yan ay cylindrical naman, we're going to use the formula for the volume of cylinder, which is volume is equals to pi r squared height. Okay, ngayon solve tayo. Okay, paano natin gagawin ito? Magplanuhan natin, isa-isahin natin. Unahin natin itong sa baba, volume ng sa baba. Isunod natin itong second layer. Isunod natin yung third layer. Okay? Tapos ipagsasamahin natin lahat. Okay? So yun ang plano, ha? Okay. First layer tayo. First layer, okay, volume is equal to pi r squared height. Okay? Pi is 3.14. Radius ng first layer ay 12 inches. Okay? Height ay 10 inches. Okay? Di ba? Pare-pareha sila ng height. Okay. Now let us solve. This is 12 times 12. Okay? Times 10 times 3.40. Okay? The answer or the volume for the first layer is 4,521.6 cubic inch. Hindi ko na pinahaba kasi hindi magkakasya. Okay. Proceed tayo sa second layer. Second layer naman. Okay? Again, same formula. Volume is equals to pi r squared height. Okay, replace the values. 3.14 ang pi. Ang radius, syempre, mas maliit na siya, 8 inches na lang. Ang height, ganun pa rin. Okay? So, unahin ulit itong may exponent, 8 times 8 times 10 times 3.14. Okay? And the answer for that is 2,009.6 cubic inch. Okay? Ito ang volume ng first layer. Ito ang volume ng second layer. Proceed tayo sa third layer. Okay. Third layer, same formula. Volume is equals to pi r squared height. Okay? Wherein, pi is 3.14. Okay? Ang radius na mas maliit na, 5 inches na lang. And then, ang height niya ay 10 inches pa rin. Okay. So, ganun pa rin. Unahin pa rin tong may exponent. 5 times 5 times 3.14 times 10. Okay? The answer now is 785 cubic inch. Okay? So ngayon, pagsasama-samahin na natin to. Kasi alamin natin ang volume ng lahat. Okay. So let us add everything. Total volume is 4,521.6 plus 2,009.6 plus 785 cubic inch lahat ng unit. Okay. Okay? You can pause the video again. Try to solve it on your own. And then, play nyo na lang pagkatapos. Okay? So the answer is 7,316.2 cubic inch. Yan ang total volume ng cake na yan. Ang laking cake nito, isang barangay pa rin ang kakain yan. Okay. Next time. A styrofoam model of a volcano is in the shape of a cone. The model has circular base with a diameter of 48 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. Find the volume of foam model in the nearest tent. Use 3.1445. Okay. Ito, gumawa daw siya ng model volcano. Shape, cone shape siya. Kaya ang ginawa natin dito ng example ay itong ating majestic mayon. Okay. Given. Given ang height ay 12 centimeters. Given ang radius ay 24 centimeters. Okay, sir. Ang given ay diameter po. Yes, ang diameter ay 48 centimeters. Since ang radius ay kalahati ng diameter, so that is just 48 divided by 2, makukuha mo ang radius na 24 centimeters. Okay? Yan. Okay. Alam mo na ang given? Let us know the operation that you're going to use. Siyempre, cone shape yan, gagamitin natin ang formula for the volume of a cone, which is volume is equals to pi r squared height divided by 3. Okay, alam mo na ang operation. Okay, let us try to solve na. Okay, volume is equals to pi r squared height divided by 3. Replace the values lang. Pi is 3.14. Radius is 24 centimeters squared. And then the height is 12 cm divided by 3. Okay. Unahin uli ang merong exponent. That is 24 times 24. That is 576 square centimeters. And then from left to right tayo. 3.14 times 576. That is 1,808.64 square centimeters. And then 1,808 times 12. Okay, that is now 21,703.68 cubic centimeters divided by 3. And then 21,703.68 divided by 3. The volume now is 7,234.36 cubic centimeters. Okay. Assessment tayo. Solve each. Okay. Draw an illustration of each solid figure describing the problem, then write your solution and final answer on a piece of paper, okay, or answer sheet. Okay, proceed tayo. Number 1, the base of pyramidal tent is a square. If the tent is 2 meters long and 1 1/2 meters high, how many cubic meters of space can it hold inside? Okay, given. Ito yung kanyang pyramidal tent. Okay. Given ang height ay 1.5 meters, kasi 1 1/2 meters, ginawa ko ng decimal. No? Anyway, pwede nyo naman gawing fraction kung prefer ninyo. Okay. And then the length is 2 meters. Dito na. Okay? Kasi ito naman ay square pyramid siya. So ginawa ko na lang length para hindi tayo magkalituhan kasi sa formula natin, length, width, and height. And then the width is 2 meters. So the operation that you're going to use is the formula for the volume of pyramid, which is length times width times height divided by 3. Okay. And then solve. Using the formula length times width times height divided by 3, replace the values lang. Length is 2 meters, the width is 2 meters, and then the height is 1.5 meters divided by 3. Multiply everything. Okay. 2 times 2 times 1.5, that is 6 cubic meters divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3, the answer now is the volume of this tent is 2 cubic meters. Next time. A cone hat has a radius of 1.3 decimeters and a height of 4 decimeters. What is its volume? Okay. Cone hat. Given ang radius or ang height, that is 4 dm, and then the radius is 1.3 dm. Okay. Operation na gagamitin natin, siyempre, formula for the volume of a cone, which is pi r squared height divided by 3. Okay? Alam mo na ang formula, meron ang given, solve tayo. Okay. Using the formula, pi r squared height divided by 3, replace the values lang. Pi, of course, is 3.14. Radius is 1.3 dm squared. And then the height is 4 dm. Okay? Divided by 3. Siyempre, uunahin natin yung mga exponent. 1.3 times 1.3, that is 1.69 dm squared. Okay. Ngayon, puro multiplication na. 3.14 tayo times 1.69. Okay? 3.14 times 1.69, that is 5.3066 dm squared times 4. Okay? Times 4 tayo. 5.3066 times 4. Okay? The answer is 21.2264. Okay? Cubic decimeter. Okay? Divided by 3. 21.2264 divided by 3. The answer now is 7.08. Okay? This is now the volume of this cone hat. Okay. Next tayo. Find the volume of sphere whose diameter is 234 meters. Wow, ang laki nito, ng sphere na to. Okay. Sphere, given ang diameter niya, that is 234 meters. Sabi ko, ang radius ay kalahati ng diameter. So to get the radius, you have to divide this by 2. 234 divided by 2, you will get 117 meters. That is now the radius. Okay? Since radius lang naman ang kailangan sa sphere, okay, we can now use the operation or the formula for the volume of sphere, which is volume is equals to 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. Alam mo na ang formula? Okay? Solve na tayo. Okay? Volume is equals to 4 pi r cubed divided by 3. Replace the values lang. 4 is constant. Pi is 3.14. Radius is 117. Cube divided by 3. Okay? Siyempre, unahin natin itong may exponent. Siyempre, okay, baka magulat na naman kayo. Ang laki-laki naman, sir. Because that is 117 times 117 times 117. Okay? You have to multiply 117 by itself 3 times. Kaya naman, ang kinalabasan niyan is 106, this is 1,601,613 cubic meters. Okay? Laki, no? Okay. Now, left to right tayo. 4 times 3.14. That is 12.46. Okay, and then 12.46, 56 times 1,601,613. Okay? The answer now is, okay, ang laki pa rin. 20,116,259.28 cubic meters divided by 3. Okay? So if you're going to divide that by 3, your answer now is 6,705,419.76 cubic meters. Kaya sabi ko, ang laki namang sphere na to. Okay? Napakalaking sphere niya. Okay. Next time. How much space is occupied by a cylindrical capsule with a radius of 10 meters and a height of 30 meters? Okay? So, cylindrical capsule naman, ang meron tayo. So, tingnan natin kung ano mga given. Given ang radius, that is 10 meters. Given ang height, that is 30 meters. So, wala tayong problema. Radius at saka height na agad ang given. Alamin natin kung anong operation na gagamitin. Siyempre, we're going to use the formula for the volume of cylinder. Okay? Which is, volume is equals to pi r squared height. Okay? So, solve tayo. Volume is equals to pi r squared height. Okay, replace the values lang. Pi is 3.14. Radius is 10 meters squared times height, that is 30 meters. Okay, so 3 point, at unahin muna natin itong mayroong exponent ha. So that is 10 times 10, kaya yan naging 100 square meters. Okay, left to right tayo. 3.14 times 100, that is now 314 square meters. So 314 times 30, you will get 9,420. Okay, nandito, this is cubic meters. Okay? Tandaan. Okay? Kapag volume, lagi ang cubic units. Okay? Ngayon. So, next tayo. I think tapos na pala tayo. Okay? Salamat muli sa inyo and don't forget to subscribe.